Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon, and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love to focus on personal and financial development. Family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day, and I hope your week has been awesome. Now, before I get started with the video, I'd like to do what I always do, and that's give you guys a word out of one of the books in my library, The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra. This is a phenomenal book, and I think everyone should have this book in their library. Short book, quick, concise, and to the point, fascinating read. All right, now here it goes. There are many aspects to success. Material wealth is one component. Moreover, success is a journey, not a destination. Material abundance in all its expressions happens to be one of the things that makes the journey more enjoyable. But success also includes good health, energy and enthusiasm for life, fulfilling relationships, creative freedom, emotional and psychological stability, and a sense of well-being and a peace of mind. And oftentimes, they say more money, more problems, because money won't solve all of your problems, right? Money won't give you a peace of mind. All right. Oftentimes when you see people that win the lottery, they often say, that was one of the worst things they've ever done. So, again, there are many facets when it comes to success, and money isn't the only ingredient. All right. Now, family, I hope you guys are being successful in your trades this week. The market pretty much shocked me today. I had no idea that the market would go and improve the way that it did, especially the SPY. And so that's the one that we're going to focus on. That's what I focus on a daily basis, because if you watch one or two plays every single day, you begin building a relationship with that play. I have a relationship with SPY. I know when she's happy. I know when she's upset. I know when she's angry. I know when she's in a good mood. And so when you begin to study these charts, man, try to pick no more than 5 stocks that you can follow on a daily basis. All right. Now, this one totally shocked me today when it comes to the SPY. We opened up, man, we gapped up really nicely. And what I did was I actually placed a put option. And so I placed a put option and I set my stop. I placed my sale for 10% gain. And so I gained that 10%, automatically sold. Now, normally what I like to do, I like to screenshot, but I was I was out driving and I happened to take a look at my TD Ameritrade account, and I saw that my option was exercised and it actually sold off. And so then I was looking for another opportunity, man, because we came down, right? We came back down. Then we began climbing up higher, right? We came back down and we climbed a little higher here. And so what I actually did today was I placed another put option here, but I eventually got stopped out and the market continued rallying because around 10:50, around 10:45, we started to settle out. We started to settle around the 397 mark. And I pretty much assumed that we were going to have some resistance here and we were going to fall back down, possibly, to where we opened, but that didn't happen. The market continued to climb and climb and climb. And so it was a fascinating day in the market. And remember, you can't win every trade. You can't make every trade. All right. So some days when the market is going good, you may just have to sit on the sidelines. When the market is going bad, some days you may have to sit on the sidelines, right? And when the market is trading flat, some days you're going to have to sit on the sidelines. All right. So when it comes to trading and investing, you do not have to make a trade every single day. All right. You don't have to make 4 or 5 trades every single day, because remember, this has been proven over and over again that 95% of the people that trade stocks, that trade the market, that trade options, lose money in the long haul. So don't be fascinated with the idea that you must trade every single day. All right. Look and identify opportunities that are good and ripe for the taking. All right. So and another thing, when it comes to setting up your charts, I see people with 15 indicators on your charts, right? So, a professional on Wall Street once stated that you should have no more than 3 and no less than 2 indicators on your charts. Okay. Now I've watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I see people with, the 8 EMA, the 8-day EMA, the 10-day EMA, the 20, the 50, the 100, the 150, the 200. Then they have the maket. Then they have the RSI. Then they have, they just have all of these indicators, volatility index, stochastic index. So they have all of these different indicators up on their screen, and they're trying to educate people or tell people about the decisions they're making when it comes to going in and out of a play. Well, if you have 10 indicators up there and you have 50 different support and resistance lines, and you're drawing bull flag patterns, and it's just a huge mess, of course you're going to be right to someone, right? And so what I like to do, I like to simplify the game. So oftentimes when you're pulling up my channel, what I'm going to focus on is the 20 SMA. Stocks prices never move too far away, or they never go too far above, or they never go too far below that 20 SMA. They always bounce back like a rubber band. I may have the maket up, but besides that, I don't have a bunch of indicators on my chart. And oftentimes what I learned is sometimes I really don't even need those indicators. I could take a look at candlestick development. Candlestick development will tell me a lot when it comes to jumping into these plays, okay? And so again, family, spend 10 to 15 minutes a day taking a look at these charts, taking a look at the candlestick development, and positioning yourself for success. You can go to my playlist. I have a training on candlestick development where I only trade certain candles, the hammer, the doji, the harami. There are various candles that you can use only to set yourself up for success. And it's very important. What I like to do, I like to trade majority of the time at the bottom or at the top of a downtrend. I don't like to do sideways movement stuff because you're just simply guessing. All right, you're just simply guessing. But again, tomorrow, Wednesday, it's going to be a tricky day, because you're going to have a lot of people that's going to be signing off early. It's going to be a lot of people jumping on the roads, jumping on flights, going home to see their family, preparing Thanksgiving meals. So it's going to be a tricky day. It could be a flat day, or it could be a day where people take profits. So be careful, beware, and have those put options available on standby just in case that happens. All right, we're gonna have to take a look at the value. If there's low value, again, might not be a lot of action going on, but all that stuff is we're gonna have to wait to see how things play out. But again, I'm looking for a possible pullback. It was a really good day today. Phenomenal day. It was up $5. Post market, we closed at $33.99.90. Post market, we are already at 400. So this all remains to be seen, because when we take a look at the daily candle and we take a look at the maket, we can see that the momentum is pretty much fading. We had a nice dark green candle developed today, so we're gonna have to wait and see how things play out. We're actually a little flat when it comes to the daily candle. So there's an opportunity that we can push back down to this 20 eventually. I'm not sure if that's going to happen tomorrow, but it looks like we could get back to the 20 like here and prepare off the 20 or fall below the 20. But again, stocks never move too far away from that 20. We always snap back like a rubber band. All right, take a look, be careful tomorrow, and I'm wishing you all a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy all of your time with your friends and your family and reflect, right? So use these holidays to reflect on just being alive, okay? Because the last 2 or 3 years, COVID, and people have left this earth. They have left the land of the living, and it's been some tough times for millions of people throughout this nation and throughout the whole globe. So again, family, this is Thanksgiving. regardless if you celebrate the holidays or not, take these days to reflect. All right, reflect on and also spend time with friends and family and just enjoy the moment. All right, enjoy the moment. Now, family, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey, if you did, hey, please hit the like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.